Kızıl Uruk.
Senin nuruna.
Didarna. Günün kızı. Saklı Uruk. Kızıl Uruk.
Çok kaldım, ben seni gördüm.
Kızıl Uruk. Kızıl Uruk.
It's congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay. Kızıl Uruk. Kızıl Uruk. Sayıp kaldım.
Ben seni.
Kızıl Uruk. Kızıl Uruk.
More noisy. Yeah, yes, you.
Sorry, no, I don't.
Congratulations on your Independence Day.
You can, brother. Where from?
From the UK.
UK, really? Oh, it's good. London?
So, Kazakhstan is the,
1, 2, 3.
it's the video.
Respect Kazakhstan.
Congratulations, Kazakhstan, for the Independence Day.
And
Okay. Congratulations, Kazakhstan. Kızıl Uruk. Kızıl Uruk.
давай. Давай еще раз. Noisy.
I can't, sorry.
Okay, thank you. Uruk. Kızıl Uruk.
Very difficult. Kızıl Uruk.
Okay, and word Uruk is longer. Kızıl Uruk. Kızıl Uruk. Okay, it's good. Thank you very much. Didarından. For Kazakhstan. Okay, thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. No. Just Kızıl Uruk. You're feeling good, so feeling good, okay? Так попробуй с улыбкой в камеру и очень уверенно. Ты репетировала? Все.
Kazakistan Respublikası'nın Təvəllüdsüzlük günü kutlu olsun.